Hello everyone, we are excited to present RobotSeg, a model and dataset for segmenting robots in image and video, from the Shou Lab, National University of Singapore. Segment Anything model, SAM, is powerful. Surprisingly, it still struggles to segment robots. In this work, we introduce RobotSeg, the first reliable image and video segmentation model for robots. RobotSeg provides three key capabilities. First, it supports fully automatic robot segmentation for both image and video. Second, it enables fine-grained segmentation of the arm, gripper, and the whole robot. And third, it offers promptable capability, allowing users to refine the mask using click or bounding box prompts when necessary. Why robot segmentation is challenging? State-of-the-art segmentation models often fail to accurately segment robots due to four key challenges: embodiment diversity, appearance ambiguity, structural complexity, and rapid shape changes. By contrast, our RobotSeg delivers robust robot segmentation across diverse embodiments and scenes. Why robot segmentation matters? Accurate robot segmentation is a fundamental capability for robot perception. It enables visual servoing for vision-language action systems by providing precise robot masks that help the policy localize effectors and execute fine-grained control. It also supports robot-centric data augmentation by replacing the robot arm with another embodiment to improve generalization across robot types. Besides, it facilitates real-to-sim transfer by generating cleaner robot geometry and appearance for building more accurate simulation assets. And it can enhance safety monitoring by continuously tracking the robot from a third-person view to detect unsafe motions and avoid collisions with humans. To facilitate the research in this field, we construct the first video robot segmentation dataset VRS. It covers diverse robot embodiments. Includes diverse scenarios. Provides fine-grained masks. And is 38 times larger than the existing image-level dataset. How RobotSeg works. Built upon SAM2, RobotSeg introduces three robot-centric innovations. Structure-enhanced memory associator, which injects robot structural cues for structure-aware segmentation. Robot prompt generator, which produces semantic robot prompts for automatic segmentation. And label-efficient training strategy, which supervises the model using only the first frame mask for label-efficient video training. With these designs, RobotSeg achieves superior performance. RobotSeg delivers the best segmentation performance on both image and video datasets while maintaining competitive computational efficiency. Compared with image-level methods, RobotSeg is more temporally stable. Compared with the general-purpose SAM2, RobotSeg delivers more reliable robot-specific segmentation. Compared with the concept-driven SAM3, RobotSeg delivers more accurate robot segmentation. RobotSeg also supports point and box prompts, producing accurate robot masks under interactive settings. Thank you for your attention.